What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Rich From Anywhere. We are your marketing mentors, and on this channel we focus on giving you tips and strategies on how to scale your brand to 6 and 7 figures. We've done it for a lot of different people and we want to do it for you next, so be sure to keep it locked. Now, with that being said, before we actually jump in and start giving you these tips and tricks on how to scale, be sure to like this video, be sure to share this video with someone who actually needs it, with someone who has a business that's actually struggling and wants to scale their business to 6 and 7 figures. Be sure to share it with them, because honestly, it helps the channel and it helps get the word out about all of the amazing things that we're doing on this end. So today is pretty cool, because what we're gonna do today is we're gonna tackle how to actually get meta verified. A lot of people have been talking about it. Some people don't like it. A lot of people do love it, but we're gonna go into the actual benefits of actually being meta verified and why you should do it. And then we're gonna jump into how to actually get your Instagram account meta verified so that you get that check mark there. It comes with a lot of recognition and a lot of perks. So we're gonna get into all of that today, y'all. So when they first started toying with the idea of giving people the opportunity to get that blue check mark by their name and becoming verified, they decided to start with a few different countries, Australia being one of them. When they started this test, they initially announced that along with all of the other perks of being meta verified, you were also going to get increased reach on your post, which is a huge perk. But because of certain complaints and because of certain people pushing back on that idea, what they decided to do is hold off on the increased reach. But there's still some amazing perks that I want to share with y'all. So this is coming directly from Instagram's site, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down each one of them. Okay, so your meta verified subscription is going to include a verified badge, which is great. Okay, now let's talk about this verified badge. Over the years, there's been a certain amount of reverence that people give to individuals that have that blue check mark by their name.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy!
There's something about it that makes your account stand out. People begin to respect you more, and a lot of other amazing perks that come with that particular check mark by your name. Now, a lot more people are getting access to it. However, I still feel like being verified is great for a number of reasons that we're going to get into today. All right, now this perk is actually something that I really like, and that's access to support. Okay, you are now going to get access to Meta and Instagram support. And if you know anything about Meta and Instagram support, over the years, it's been extremely difficult to actually talk to a physical person that deals with support and troubleshooting on this app. So the fact that you're actually going to now be getting access to that is incredible, and it can help you to streamline your issues in a much more effective and faster way. You're also now going to get active impersonation monitoring. Okay, I don't know how many times this has happened to me, but when I follow certain influencers and certain people of high stature on IG, the next thing you know, I get 10 spam accounts with people impersonating that original person, and they're always doing the same thing. They're always trying to get in your inbox and steal money from you. They're always trying to sell you courses that aren't really courses and steal your money and all those type of things. It's become really crazy out there. So the fact that now you have impersonation monitoring is great, because even if you're a small brand right now, imagine when you blow up because you're following this channel and you're following these techniques. Just imagine what that can do for you, because now you know that you are protected. And I know a lot of people out there, a lot of influencers out there are extremely happy now because of the fact that this is available, because it's crazy. And that could take away from your business as well when you got all these spam accounts running around trying to impersonate you. So the impersonation monitoring is key. It's something that's extremely beneficial, and I highly recommend it. Okay, you're also going to get exclusive stickers for Instagram stories. Now, stickers to you might not seem like anything crazy, but think about how this translates. Okay, I don't know if you know, but Facebook Reels are going crazy right now, right? Facebook Reels are going absolutely crazy. I highly recommend you using them. But one thing when it comes to Facebook Reels, you can actually make money utilizing it when someone gives you stars. So along with this Meta subscription, you're also going to get 100 stars that you can start giving to other creators when they create good reels. The perks are great for this particular Meta verified program, and I think that you should get it, because here's the thing. Initially, when they released the fact that Meta verified was going to be a thing, they said that there was also going to be increased reach involved in Meta Verified, which means that you're going to show up more on the home page. You're going to show up more on the popular page, right? You're going to show up more in people's feeds. Don't think just because people complained that Meta is not going to actually roll this out. It's going to happen. And when it does, you want to be at the front of the line so that you get those perks and you get more brand visibility. Now, if you look at the bottom, it says that your Instagram verification will not transfer over to Meta, so you're gonna have to do a Meta verification as well. Another thing, if you have multiple profiles on Instagram that you want to get verified, you're going to have to go through the process for each one of those particular profiles. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have your government ID, because they are checking for that. You're also gonna wanna make sure that your Instagram picture that you're using is a front-facing picture. It can't be a picture of you on the side like this. It's gotta be a front-facing picture so that they can actually recognize you. Now, with that being said, let's show you how to actually do this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to your profile. You're gonna click the 3 parallel lines on the very top right. You're gonna scroll down and you're going to see Meta Verified right here. If you have an eligible account, you're gonna go ahead and click on Meta Verified. And when you do that, it's gonna ask you to subscribe. Now, go ahead and click subscribe, and then it's gonna go ahead and ask you for your payment information, and you are good to go. Now, if you don't see Meta Verified, I'm gonna show you another way to get there on your account. Click the 3 parallel lines, click on Settings. Then you're gonna scroll down, click on Account, and then go ahead and scroll down, and you should see Meta Verified right there at the bottom. Click on that. Now select the profile that you want to actually verify, and then click subscribe, and then pay now. The last thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your Instagram profile name actually matches your ID. So you can go ahead and change that right there. Nicknames are okay. After you've done that, go ahead and confirm your changes by clicking confirm, and now you're good to go. Now, the last step is setting up 2-factor authentication, and after that, go ahead and upload your government ID so that Meta can verify you. Now, once you complete that process, it could take up to 24 hours for your check mark to appear. So just be patient after you've gone through those steps, and you will become verified, y'all, and congratulations. Now you're looking just like those celebrities that you follow. Oh! And all of those things. Now you're looking just like them, y'all. Okay, so it's definitely going to add to your visibility as a brand as well. Now, you want to make sure that you continue to post content and continue to do the things that we teach on this channel to maximize that new badge that you just got. Now, be sure to keep it locked to us, because we have a lot of different videos that you can check out on how to scale your brand to 6 and 7 figures. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. I hope this video was extremely helpful, y'all, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Peace and love.